Call your Lord. Call your Lord. Call the name of Jesus. Jesus. Right now. Right now. You snakes. I said fire, 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 fire. 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 Fire on all the snakes of the table. You snakes of the table. Hey, look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Lakutan.
Tinyoka. You are at the wrong place. Right now. Fire, fire. Fire. In the name of Jesus. There are people who are captives. Some of them, since they were born, they have been living in captivity. Some of them were sold into slavery by members of their own family. There are families that are just sold to slavery. They belong to the devil. Families that worship idols. Families where ancestors are worshipped. Families that belong to cult churches. When the children get born, already they are sold to slavery. We cannot go on being drunkards. We cannot go on being prostitutes. We cannot go on lying. We cannot go on living a life of pride. We cannot go on living a life of being addicted to drugs, being addicted to gossip. You get born, and by the time you open your eyes, already you are assigned a snake to come and sleep with you. By the time you open your eyes, already you are flying, you are a witch. By the time you open your eyes, they are taking you under the water. When those things visit you, you wake up in the morning. You are supposed to go to an interview. Then you are messed up. You are supposed to write exams. Then you are messed up. After the visitations of the theologians and the snakes, you cannot function anymore during the day. Have they put you in a prison of poverty? Poverty that is in your family. Have they put you in a prison of curses? When you are in prison, you cannot move. You cannot go anywhere. You are locked inside. So I say this morning, the captives shall be set free. The captives are getting out of captivity even this morning. They owned you. They owned your family. Not anymore. Not anymore. Not anymore. We now know the light. Jesus is the light. Jesus is the way. Hallelujah.
Amen.
Get out. Get out. Get out. Right now. Right now. Right now. She is going to succeed. You are defeated. You are defeated. I said fire on you. Fire, 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 fire. Fire, fire, fire.